it's me, Aimer, again. And you know what? I have a strong recipe that actually works. And guess what also? Someone joining in. My little sister Jen, she's only one. And these are all the stuff you need. First, I'm going to pour into the glue in. Okay, now that's enough glue. And I'm going to put a little bit of coordinator soda. Now we mix it. I'm going to add a sprinkle of lemon. Now mix it really well. Very drippy. Now I'm going to put a solution in. That's enough now. Mix. Homemade slime, that is. Goo. Please put the solution to leave it sticky. Now I'm going to add a bit of glycerin. The glycerin made it shiny. Goodbye.